Today we're taking a look at what I believe is one of the best, if the best value mechanical chronograph you currently can buy in the market. This is the Sugess, or I guess it's part of Seastar. The Sugess S387, which is a mechanical chronograph watch using the same ST1901 movement from the original Seagull 1963 watch. This is also really a homage of the Breitling Deus, which is one of the Breitling iconic watches that they released. It was in 1960, and then they released it in, I believe, in 2020. Just different colorways. It's not exactly the same colorway. So I'm really impressed by this watch. When I unboxed the watch, I didn't expect. I know the movement. I know the Seagull, the ST1901 movement. It's a good movement. It's when the Chinese took ownership of this movement back then, and they start building a lot of watches based on this movement. It's 21,600 beats per second, 29 joules, 45 hours power reserve. The watch is really very well made. The leather strap is actually good quality. Of course, you get the sapphire crystal. I really love this blue colorway with the orange chronograph hand and the yellow hour and minute hands. Really looks really sharp. And this is the lovely Seagull ST1901 movement. It really looks nice from a bit of a distance. If you close up, you can see it's not perfectly finished, but honestly, for $100, getting a real hand-wind mechanical chronograph is just awesome. It's also 50-meter water resistance. And the watch dimensions are really also very good. It's 40mm watch, 51mm lug to lug. The thickness is 14.5mm, and it is water resistance to 50 meters. And the lug width is 20mm. You can see it's very impressive. The dial finishing is actually is very sharp. The applied indices, everything looks really sharp. I'm really impressed for like $400, and I think I paid $92 during the AliExpress sale. The chronograph works very well. Everything, the writing, the dial, the hands, everything is considered very clean for the price that you are paying for this watch. I am honestly impressed. I really wanted a vintage looking hand wind mechanical watch, and I was looking at the Hamilton mechanical movement, the hand wind, and I would have paid like about $1,500 for those. You can see just a normal defying the time. And again, this is the lovely mechanical movement. Really, it is really nice to look at, to be honest. And using the chronograph is also crisp. And what even surprising, it was very surprising to me, this watch was very accurate. I've been wearing this watch for about a week now, and it only gained 5 seconds during that week. It's honestly impressive what you get for your money. I mean, of course you're not getting a Swiss movement, but for what you get, for the money, and the fit and finish and everything looks great. Here, as you can see on my 6.75 inch wrist, I think it wears very well. I think if you have 6.5 inch wrist and above, you should be fine wearing this watch. The lug to lug is a little bit on the longer side, 51 millimeter, but it's really not too bad. The leather strap is also actually quite good. So what do you think about this watch? Please comment below, like, and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in another watch video.